Hi there, my name is Jamie, and in this video I'm going to be talking you through the dial settings, indicators and switches on our brand new 400 amp CBR. So first of all, this is our on-off toggle switch. When the switch is in the off position, it will show the green label, and when it's in the on position, it will show the red label. This right here is our red trip button. Press that, it physically actuates the trip mechanism for test, and it also puts the on-off toggle switch in a tripped position, and so no label will show and the toggle will be black. Next, this square grey button is the test button, and you would press to test the residual current detection and tripping system. Below that we have our yellow residual current pop-up indicator, and this yellow button pops up to indicate tripping due to residual current. And below that we have two dials. On the left we have our adjustable tripping threshold, which can adjust between 30 milliamps and 3000 milliamps, and on the right we can adjust the time delay. And finally, at the bottom of the breaker here we have the overload and short circuit tripping threshold dials. So firstly, this dial on the left is the thermal element adjustment dial, where you can adjust the tripping threshold for overload protection, and it can be set between 0.63 and 1 times your nominal current. So simply, to determine my rated current of the breaker, I would take the nominal current, which is 400 amps, and multiply it by my dial setting, which in this example is 0.8, giving me a rated current of 320 amps. And lastly, this dial on the right is the magnetic element adjustment dial, and it is used to set the short circuit tripping threshold to suit your application, and it can be set between 6 and 12 times your nominal current. This is the dielectric test plug. Remove it to carry out dielectric testing with the CBR closed. And that is our 400 amp CBR. I hope this video was useful to you. If you'd like to find out any more information, please feel free to contact us. Alternatively, I've left a link to our leaflet in the description below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.